Today, I'm at the International Builder Show in Orlando, and behind me is the Vista, a 400 square foot park model built by Cavco that has 1 bedroom, 1.5 bathrooms, and yes, it does have a rooftop deck. Let's check it out. All right, here we go. Let's check out the Vista, shall we? So this is the Vista, but that over there, that's the bungalow. It's gonna be on the channel, might be there already. If not, will be on soon. Again, built by Cavco. They've got the rooftop deck, and if you look up there, people are enjoying it right now. So we'll maybe talk to them when I go up there and see how they feel about it. Can't wait till they leave because we are burning daylight. Couple different options for siding here. You can see they've got a little bit of a feature wall, the blue there, and as I wrap around the side, this is an interesting color. It's a light wood grain panel, and yeah, I think it looks pretty sharp actually. Just had to make up my mind there. Now coming around the side, you can see they've got the windows up top over here. I'm guessing there is some kind of loft in the Vista, but I haven't been in there yet, so we are going to find out together. Now there's the stair access up to the rooftop deck, and what I like about this right here is if you want some sun exposure, you head up there. If you want a little bit of coverage, you're gonna stay down below, and they do have the built-in pot lights on that section there. So really, you get the best of both worlds. Whatever you want, you can get it on this home. You just gotta be willing to go up or down the stairs. Here's a look at it from the front. They've got the black metal railings against the white painted siding on the front, and I think we should head up and we'll see what it's all about upstairs. So black stairs going up. We'll get a view of the home show from up here. Oh yeah, look at this. Very nice. All right, what do you guys think? You like it? It works well? Okay, how long you been up here?
Just long enough.
Long enough, all right. Oh, you live here now. Okay, enjoy.
Spare the fridge if you want.
I'll grab one after this. Thank you. All right, heading back down. I don't know if there's people inside as well, but let's find out. Okay, heading in the front door, you've got the living room on the front of the home, and ooh, this is what I would call cozy. So you got the couch up against that window and high ceilings in here. Living room on the front with the window off the side and the front out to the covered porch, and kind of an entertainment system, or center, sorry, right there, with a little bit of storage in the corner tucked in under the stairs, down below as well. I think I'm gonna head straight back. We've got a kind of galley kitchen here, so you've got the stove, microwave up above, sink right in the middle, a little extra counter prep space. You can see they got the appliances right here, double sink. We'll take a look underneath. They're storing paint there right now, but typically that is where you would find your detergents. Fridge on the end, they got the double door. This is a nice size fridge. Ooh, and they've got water. I will be grabbing one of those. They've got cabinet up above. That would be a good place for plates, bowls, stuff like that. And coming this way, they've got this size cabinet on either side of the microwave, and you can see that it is adjustable, so you can move those shelves wherever you want them. Bank of 4 drawers right here that have some information pamphlets in them there. And I don't know why I went through all of them, because people know what drawers look like. I haven't opened this door yet. Usually at shows there will be stuff tucked away in here, so maybe I'll just leave that closed right now. Heading back, we enter into the bedroom, and again, nice size. I'm impressed. This feels quite spacious. They've got a lot going on in a small space, but it's working. They've got the ensuite right here with the walk-in shower. How are you? They've got the toilet right here with the window up above, bit of a banjo countertop. Look at that right there. And they've got the cabinet underneath and mirror up above. Wouldn't be the first time I've seen that in a home. Probably won't be the last. Kind of a standard feature. Now, Coming down this way, this is the half bath. Okay, so we've got one bedroom. I don't even know if I would call this a half bath, you know? Because we've got the vanity, we've got the toilet, and we have another walk-in shower here. So I might call this a 3/4 to full bathroom. It's got all the essentials as well as a cabinet above the toilet. So unexpected. I was not expecting that because the sign outside says 1 bedroom, 1.5 bath, with no mention of this space right here, which of course is the loft. And would you look at that, down at the end, they've got a mini split. So if you're gonna put this somewhere, it's a little warmer and you can sleep it up in the loft, you don't wanna be sweating because heat rises, you can get that thing cooling the space down. That's a great idea. Very nice addition. And here's those windows I was looking at from the outside, right at the top, that of course will let in the natural light. And a ceiling fan, blow that cool air down too. I don't know if that makes sense. I'm a little delirious. It's been a bit of a long day. What can I say? All right, I'm gonna head back this way, get one last look at the living room. And one thing I want to stress on this one is the ceiling height is definitely making it feel spacious. I like it. This is the Vista. Here's a look at the floor plan for those who prefer a top-down viewing experience to really get a feel for the space. If you haven't already considered giving the video a like and maybe even subscribing to the channel, both assignments are free 99 and greatly appreciated. As you can see here, the main floor consists of the living room, kitchen, 2 bathrooms, and the bedroom. The bedroom is 8 feet long by 7'4" wide, but isn't the only sleeping space in the Vista. More on that in a second. I skipped over it on the main part of the tour, but the closet in the kitchen is marked as utility, which is a great spot to put a vacuum, a broom, and other things of that nature. The second sleeping space is, of course, the loft. It's a little over 19 feet long by 7'4" wide, which is likely plenty of room for at least a couple mattresses. As a park model, this home is designed to be used as a cottage, and in that setting, a sleeping loft can be a popular option. The rooftop deck has dimensions of 12 by 13'4", and as we saw, is more than enough space for a nice little gathering. As far as availability goes, the Vista is currently for sale in Florida, North Carolina, and Tennessee, so a few different location options to buy. More info on that in the description below. There you have it, folks, the Vista from Cavco, a 400 square foot park model with 1 bedroom, 1.5 bathrooms, and yes, of course, a lot of people's favorite, the rooftop deck. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next